angles can have special relationships, and two of these relationships are called complementary and supplementary angles. So we say that two positive angles are complementary if, when we add them, we get pi over 2 radians or 90 degrees. Those two things are equivalent. Okay, pi over 2 radians is equivalent to 90 degrees. And so that's simply a right angle, what we call a right angle, all right, which we'll often denote with this little square instead of the curved. Okay, so if you have two angles and you put two positive angles, that's important, and you add them together and you get this right angle, that is what we call complementary angles. So really what we're doing here is saying, you know, maybe I have this angle here, okay, and I add that to this angle here. Okay, you add those together, and those are complementary angles because they get to 90 degrees. If you add two positive angles and you get pi radians or 180 degrees, then that is what we call supplementary angles. And this is where 180 degrees is half of 360, and so we get, okay, we get the full, it looks like a straight line, okay? And so some angle that you would have here, okay, you could have an angle, that angle there, and add it to that angle there. Okay, you get 180 degrees or pi radians, and those two angles we call supplementary.